Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another tutorial. Okay, I posted this video on how to crochet the half double crochet Tunisian stitch, and it looks like when I'm editing and when I'm posting on YouTube, the screen I don't know what happens there. So on this video I'm not going to do any editing and I will post it right away. So I'm right in the middle of my screen right here. I don't know what's going on, so I'm going to redo this video. And I noticed that this yarn does not show the stitch. It's super easy, but because this is roving, I have no clue. So what I'm going to do is I am going to move this aside, and I'm going to use just the Mandana Lion brand yarn that I have here. And I am going to start, just chain as any number of chain you would like. So here we go. Again, I'm in the middle right here. I can see my square. So I am chaining 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is enough just to show you. And another thing is, I do not show on every video how to close up, because I did show it on a couple of my videos. I might make another separate video just to pin it, so you can go and refer it, because does usually the same. And I will show it on this video on how to close it up. Here we go. So I'm going to start right away. I'm not going to chain and just do regular. So I'm going to start right away. So I'm going to do a yarn over. And then right here, I'm going to pick a stitch. Okay. Again, I'm going to do a yarn over and I'm going to pick a stitch. You can do your regular simple Tunisian stitches, but I'm just showing you right away. You can do a couple of rows, which I did, I believe, on I can't remember. Okay, so I'm going picking up stitches just like this on every chain that I see. I already received comments, so I will pin this and I will send the links to this tutorial. Okay, so I started with 10 chains, and you should have a total of 19 because we're doubling, right? So what we're going to do is, I did my last, and I'm going to pull this, just one, as we usually do when we're doing the edge. And then what we're going to do is, we're going to do 3, 3. Okay, so here's 3, here's 3, here's 3, here's 3, here's 3, 3, 3, 3, and then you should have 3, and you finish it up, and then you do a yarn over. Now we're going to be picking these vertical upside down V's, so automatically you see them in front of you, so you pick them up, you do a yarn over, put my screen here, check my screen, I'm still in the middle. And here's the last 2 loops. And for the last one, I come here as we usually do on every Tunisian stitch. We pick that one and we automatically chain it. And then we repeat what we did. 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and then the last 3. Okay, I'm going to do it one more time. One more row. Yarn over, pick up these 2 loops automatically. They're all in front of you. Super easy. And then come to the end and pick these 2 loops, and then chain 1, and then repeat. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. And then the last 3. Okay, and this is how it will look like. And then you continue as many rows as you want. So I'm going to show you how to fasten up, close it up. So we don't do the yarn over because we're finishing it. To close up, it's just that we need to start with the same number as we started. So automatically what I do is I grab these 2 and then I do a slip stitch. Okay? And I do a slip stitch. This is all to it. Or you can make a single crochet if you want. It's up to you, just like this. But the slip stitch is way professional. It looks way better. And this is how I do it. So I hope this video will show better. And in the future, I'm not going to be editing. I will just post them. I will add the clips that I take the videos and nothing to edit. So something is going on, and I do apologize for that. And then I come to the last one, and I just flip it. So here it is. So this is how you do your close, your finishing up, your closure, and this is all to it. So I hope you like this redo, and yeah, you guys take care. I am sorry again. I'm right in the middle. I'm checking. You guys take care. Bye-bye.